Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with the second entry into my card kit swap that I hosted here on YouTube. I'm starting to feel so much better and back to my old self. These are long overdue. I got sick and couldn't make it to the post office, didn't even want to try, was not feeling so well, and with the Thanksgiving holiday I was able to rest up and I'm feeling so much better. So thank you for all of you who have commented and sent me well wishes. I so appreciate it. But let's get into this kit. This kit is from Paulette Tate. She's here on YouTube. I will leave the link into my description box below to look for her card kit video. She did an assembly of this card kit, so it'll show us how to do it. And yeah, just look for that link below. So she did send, I believe we had to send 5 kits. There's 5 people who entered. And these are her kits and how they come. How fun! So she did include her address and her YouTube information. She is Scrappy Tate here on YouTube. I'm afraid to show her address. Wow, I think she sent more than, unless she sent 2. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think she did send 2 different sets. So this is what they look like without showing her address. I'm gonna dig into 2 of them and I'll be right back. Okay, I have both of her kits out. I really like the tag that she used, the shape of the tag she used to add her information. And if I just do that, you can see that is her, sorry. That is her YouTube information there. And so let's get into her kit. How exciting! So beautiful. So she did start with an envelope, and I believe I said that was optional because I believe we're all card makers. We probably have envelopes, and so that's always like a questionable subject. Do you add the envelope? Do you not? I'm interested to know if you do during card swaps, do you always add the envelopes? Leave it in the description box below and let me know. She also included a card base and then a few more pieces that will go with the card base. Like I said, I'm going to link the video in my description box below where she puts together this card so we know how it comes together. But look at, there's some fun pieces. She added the sentiment, thinking of you. And then it looks like some poinsettia and some layering pieces here. So how fun and exciting to be able to put together this kit. I cannot wait. And I am going to do another video when I do put together the cards just to show you. And then here's another one she sent in. So she's going to participate in 2 and get 2 different swaps back as well. Here she added the envelope as well. And then some layering bases. A2 size card. And then it looks like these things layer up as well. I could be totally wrong. But once I watch the video and do the assembly on it, it looks like it's a present. This is beautiful. Ah, pretty. And then the, yeah, this is a good one. The sentiment. So I'm excited to put this one together too, Paulette. Thank you so much for participating in my swap. I truly appreciate it. I did not have as much participants as I had hoped, and maybe card kits is something that is daunting to people. I'm not sure. I love participating in card swaps, and getting the kits are a fun thing as well. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a crafty day, and I hope you guys have found this inspirational. Stay tuned for the videos of me assembling the cards later, and for more videos like these, stay here. And until my next video, shakas!